Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a topic that can save you money and help you make better financial decisions. We're comparing personal loans and credit card loans to figure out which one is better for your needs. Stick around till the end to find out which option is right for you. Let's start with the basics. A personal loan is a fixed amount of money you borrow from a bank or lender, with a set interest rate and a fixed repayment term. On the other hand, a credit card loan is essentially borrowing against your credit card limit or taking out a cash advance using your card. Both serve the same purpose, getting access to money when you need it, but they work differently. Here's how they differ. Interest rates. Personal loans generally have lower interest rates, ranging from 10 to 20%, whereas credit card loans can have rates as high as 36% or more. Repayment terms. With personal loans, you have fixed EMIs over a specific period, usually 1 to 5 years. Credit card loans, however, are more flexible, but minimum payments can extend your debt for years. Loan amount. Personal loans usually allow you to borrow larger amounts, while credit card loans are limited by your credit card's available limit. Approval time. Credit card loans are quick, sometimes instant. Personal loans can take a few days, as they involve more documentation. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Personal loans. Lower interest rates, larger loan amounts, fixed repayment schedule, takes time for approval, may require a good credit score or collateral. Credit card loans, instant approval, no separate application if you already have a card. Flexible repayment, like minimum payments. High interest rates, smaller loan amounts. So, the choice depends on what you prioritize: speed and convenience or affordability and structure. So, when should you choose each option? If you need a large amount of money for something major like a home renovation, a personal loan is a better choice. If it's a short-term emergency and you need cash quickly, a credit card loan might be more convenient. However, always calculate the total cost, including interest and fees, before making a decision. Here are some tips to help you decide. Check interest rates. Use online calculators to compare costs. Assess your need. Borrow only what you need and can repay. Evaluate your credit score. A higher credit score gives you better deals on personal loans. Avoid minimum payments. With credit card loans, paying only the minimum can trap you in debt. In the end, neither is inherently better. It all depends on your financial situation and goals. Always think long-term and avoid impulsive borrowing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on managing your finances. Let me know in the comments which topic you'd like me to cover next. Until next time, take care.